Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use the addition command in TIA Portal V16 math function. In math function I will open my software TIA Portal and this old project I will open. Project view. Then go to my PLC, program blocks, main OB, and I will delete this all project. And I will make it here new project, and that this is the math function. At the 6th number this commands starts. First we use this all commands in, out, okay, real, calculate, and now we will use this addition command. In previous lecture we discussed about this calculate command, and now you will use this added command. He says adds the value at the in1 input to the value at the in2 input and outputs the sum at the output out equal in1 plus in2. Means when you take this command here, first of all he is asking about which data you like, in int, dint, or real, lreal, unsigned. I will take this int data, and here I will use one data registers MW0, and here I used one more data MW10, and I will get answer in MW20. And I will download this my program to the PLC. It will take some time. Addition commands basically used for counting purposes or some now I make it simulation on. And see, here is put in decimal form. Because of this table will be showing you decimal form. Display format, tag, and also in decimal. For example, I will put here data 10 and down is 0, and also I will put here 20, and it will calculate this data in 1 and in 2, and after gives the answer in MW20. If I here put 25 and 37, for example, 37 and 20, it's becomes an answer will be 57. if I use this in decimal, 12, it will be goes 12 plus 20 will be 32. And this command why used in TIA Portal? For example, I will give you one example. Here I put one comparator command. Here I go to the comparator command and I will take this one command equal and greater than. He asks here which data you like to use. I use this MW20 and he say how much counts after you like to start your any output. I say this 50. When my counts goes up to 50 or with equal the 50, my one output will be on. Here I put Q0 dot 0 and that again I will download to the PLC. And make it simulation on. And see, here range is coming 12, here range is 20 and output is coming 32. But I give him direction when it's coming 50 or greater than 50, you have to be make it on this Q0.0. For example, 20 plus 20, 40, 30 plus, I will put here 30, 30, and as it's coming 50, my output will be energized because of 50 is equal. If one also less, I think I will put 29. 29 if put, if 1 is also less, it will be stop my execution. (29) in decimal must be go to, sorry, here first change the decimal here, after you will choose here 29. See, only 1 is less than 50, that output is stopped, and as it's coming equal with this output or greater than this 23, put no problem, it will be coming 52, yani equal and greater than, after this Q0.0 have to be energized. So I hope you understand about this command, how to add addition commands used in TIA Portal V16. If you not understand anything in this video, can be send a message in comment section or email me. I will be reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.